Hi there, I'm John Gibbons, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make these Christmas ornaments. 'Tis the season, so I was going to do different patterns and use different molds. This one I used a straight mold, and this one I used the same mold except I twisted it when it was hot. And one of my favorite molds is this pineapple mold, where you kind of get this optical fish scale look. So let's get started. So I hope you learned a lot, how to make them, how much fun it is, and if you're learning how to make them, it's real important to get that glass an even temperature so that that sphere blows out evenly. So this is one of my favorite molds, the pineapple mold, and that's what created this beautiful pink fish scale look. And then I've got this other mold, which is creating these straight lines here. Please subscribe and leave comments below. Thanks a lot. I'm John Gibbons.